In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a bit of a tutorial on how you could find 50 to 100x gems on the base network. Now, yes, guys, this is definitely possible. This is very common in today's market. And in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a bit of a tutorial on how I actually find these projects very early. Now, we're going to be using two tools and they're completely free. We're going to be using Dexscreener and Ape.Store. Now, guys, this is a video that, there's going to be so much value in this. So guys, make sure you pay attention, actually lock in. And guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Crypto RJ. I post daily videos on meme coins. Here and there, I'll post like a tutorial type of video, kind of just giving you guys actual value and showing you guys how to get the sauce. But a lot of times, guys, I just cover meme coins. I'm like, hey, this is what I think. This is going to do pretty well. It's not going to do pretty well. So if you guys are interested in crypto and meme coins, base coins, Solana coins, whatever that is, make sure you guys subscribe down below. And guys, this kind of method, it applies for like Solana as well and BNB. But I just think right now base has the most opportunity in terms of risk and reward. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, is go to dexscreener.com. Okay. Now on Dexscreener.com, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here and we're just going to click base, so we only see base meme coins. Now the reason we're doing base, guys, is I don't know, I feel like base right now just has a lot more potential and a lot more opportunities. Realistically, Solana does have way more coins, but I feel like with Solana it's just so much scammers, so many cheats. It's just so much easier to lose money as opposed to on base. You know, people actually hold a bit longer, and I just think that there's a bit more longevity on base. Okay, so what we're going to do is once we click base, what you're going to want to do is click this new pairs tab. Okay, now with new pairs, I usually do like to trade new pairs just because it's a lot easier to kind of get in early. So what you can do when you click new pairs is you could, put to 24 hours, you could put to 3 days, you could put to 7 days. It honestly doesn't matter. You could put whatever in this category. I would recommend definitely checking, all three. And then what you could do is you go by age and you make it sort by the newest coins. Okay, now when you're here, you can kind of search through and see and find any other coins, right? So you can see there's so many coins here. Now what you're going to want to look at is coins that aren't scammed. So first off, any coin that doesn't have like a picture here, I wouldn't even bother looking at. Another thing is the liquidity, right? So for example, if a coin has like $26 in liquidity, obviously that's not going to work and you're not going to want to buy that. So guys, write this down, right? Like literally write it down or make a mental note, right? No picture means no, right? If the liquidity is less than like a couple $100, no. And you're going to want to just scan and kind of look for these, right? Now, I don't know if I'll find like a good coin here. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But you're going to want to just do this and just get used to doing this like a couple times a day, right? Like this one looks pretty interesting, right? Just a base guy. 6 hours ago, volume is 67K, so that's pretty good. Liquidity is 2.5K and the market cap's 147K, okay? Now, this is a coin that I would then go ahead, I would like put in a new tab and I'd go ahead and I'd do my research, right? Everything about this looks pretty good. It looks like it had a crazy rally and then crashed pretty hard. I would go onto their website, Twitter, and again, do my research. Now, guys, the whole research phase, I have a whole video in my private Discord going over it, which, guys, if you're not in my private Discord, join through down below. It's cheaper than a daily coffee, but there's hours upon hours of video content just like this that'll teach you how to make money with meme coins. And guys, not only that, in the private Discord, where I literally give you guys buy sell alerts, right? So sometimes I'll make YouTube videos, but a lot of the times if I'm actually buying a coin, it will be well before I make a YouTube video. And people in my private Discord, they're seeing a lot of success. For example, Ham Sandwich here, he's made $15,000 this month from the Discord. We have another person here who made a 4x on a project called Baby Toshi, and we have another person here who said, this call has helped me out a lot, bro. You've paid off my recent trip to Japan. And then, guys, it just goes on forever. Another person here, this is me actually, I called an alert for broke on base at 260K. It's currently sitting at $3 million market cap. Okay, so just in the past month, guys, we had a crazy month. Things are looking good. So if you guys want to come through, 1, get some education, and 2, get some plays, and 3, be in a community with a bunch of like-minded people, link is down below. But anyways, back to Dexscreener. So I would go ahead, do your research, figure everything out, right? Bubble maps, all that stuff, top holders, make sure the holder count is pretty good, whatever. I would do all that, right? So there's that method as well. What I would also do is I could also go up here and instead of filtering by age, you could filter it by market cap, right? So you're going to want to find some very low market cap gems. Okay, so for example, there might be some here like, let's see. Again, there's no guarantee that I'm going to find one every single time, but this is what I would do, right? Let's see. There's keyboard Toshi. No, liquidity is way too low for that, so that wouldn't work. There's a bunch which is no pictures, which I'm just not going to bother wasting my time. There's this one that's called Mary is no, the liquidity is too low. See, so you guys are going to get better at doing this as well over time. There's orange juice, which I don't know why this is pumped so much, but there's orange juice. So I'd maybe, open this on a new tab and see if it's worth getting into, right? Look at the charts, do my whole research and, just figure out if it's worth it, right? But this is how I would find a lot of coins. Now, Obviously, there's a bunch of other filters to play with as well. You could rank by trending, you could rank by volume, right? There's a bunch of things you could do. But overall, guys, this is the method on Dexscreener. Now, if you want to take things one step further, recently I've been playing a lot with Ape.Store, Ape.Store. So guys, this is kind of like Pump Fund, but for the base blockchain. And in my opinion, there's a shit ton of money to be made on this site right here, guys. So this is obviously a bit more higher risk. And if you don't really know what you're doing with meme coins, it is going to be a bit of a learning curve. But guys, they have like a bunch of tutorials like on here. You just go through and just learn about it. But I found Baby Toshi earlier, I think last week, and I saw it at I think $6,000 market cap, right? And it has been an absolute gem. It's currently trading at, what is it, $230,000 market cap. And guys, this is like an insane project, right? I'm gonna open up on Dexscreener, so we could see it has gone. I mean, it's down. Like someone just full clip $2,000, but it's been going pretty freaking amazing, and a lot of people made a lot of money on this, right? So like I said, I got in before it even bonded, and it was on Ape.Store. So like I said, $6,000 market cap. So why did I go into Baby Toshi, right? What did I actually look at, and what made me go ahead and ape into it? Well, it was pretty simple. One, when I'm looking for coins, guys, like for example, this OJ coin, I don't see this narrative lasting that long, right? Base guy, I think it's an all right narrative, right? There's obviously, it's based off of chill guy, and it might do a little bit, it might do all right. But when I saw Baby Toshi, it was a freaking no-brainer to me, because guys, Baby Toshi is based off of literally Toshi, right? One of the biggest base meme coins out there, listed on Coinbase, right? Not only that, the whole baby meta is a real thing. There's Baby Dogecoin, there's baby, like pretty much everything. So I knew this is a pretty good, derivative to either get into, right? Now, same thing, right? Like for example, we're on Ape.Store right now. This is just a homepage, and we can see there's some of these that look all right. Like this one is Ski Boo Boo. I don't know what Boo Boo actually is, but it has ski, right? So ski mask, right? Here's another one. There's AI XBT, but there's Baby XBT, right? So again, this seems like a pretty decent one. What I would do is I'd open it up in a new tab, right? I would then go ahead and try and find like more information, like how's the Twitter, how's the website. And again, guys, I have a checklist on my private Discord, pretty much talking about how like what I look out for and what to make sure is good and what's not good. But there's other ones, right? Like Baby Bobber or whatever. Again, don't know what that is. This one looks pretty good. This Bat Cat, right? Overall, guys, there's a decent amount of projects on here that could actually go ahead and bond. Now, these are obviously higher risk, and because their market caps are so tiny, you're not going to ape in more than a couple $100 at a time, just because you don't want to get destroyed. But overall, guys, I do think that there's a lot of opportunity here, and that's what I'm looking out for, okay? So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you guys really want to take this to the next level, like I said, guys, I do have a private Discord link down below. It is insane in there right now. You can make so much money. So guys, come through, check it out. But guys, that is it for today. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.